Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering what matters, the exact Google account and a fresh Google Takeout export. Once done, download the zip to your computer and unpack it. Do not rename folders. You want your uploads, playlists, and metadata accessible. Next, open YouTube Music and sign in to the same account. Google provides an automated transfer for many items. If the automated transfer isn't visible, keep the takeout files ready. You'll import tracks manually into an alternative app or into YouTube Music later. Once the automatic route runs, inspect what moved uploads, playlists, purchases. If items are missing, manually import MP3 or FLAC files using the YouTube Music web uploader or a third-party player that supports Cloud Sync. Before uploading, clean metadata so songs match by title, artist, and album. This prevents duplicates. Use a tag editor if needed. While uploading, recreate playlists from your takeout playlist files. Drag tracks in order. You'll restore most of your library this way, and you'll understand why some tracks fail. To finish, sync the restored library to your phone and test playback. Download key playlists for offline use. If you still see gaps, reopen the takeout folders and search for those file names. Then re-upload any missing files, converting unsupported formats first. If playlists show wrong order, import the CSV or JSON takeout playlist and reorder inside the app. If things go wrong, clear the app cache, sign out and back in, and force a sync. This resolves most reconciliation problems before escalating further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.